Hi guys. Everybody staying warm in there? Guys hungry? Which one of you is gonna have those twins first? Is it you, Moon Pie? Is it Bunny? Is it Bitsy? Or is it Maisie? And there's our daddy. Lover boy Snowball. It's a cold winter day. And I came down here to feed the sheep, do some chores, and I want you guys to check out these fat bellies with me and see if you can figure out which one of them is going to have their lambs first. This one's Bunny. And Bitsy. Hi, Bitsy. And Moon Pie. Moon Pie's got a big one. Bunny's not bad, and Maisie's getting huge. I think it's gonna be Maisie first. And I think Bitsy's going last, just based on her size. We'll see. We'll give you a little more bedding, just in case. It's gonna get really cold tonight. Oh yeah. That's a big mama. And that's our big daddy. Got a feather in your mouth. Get that feather out of your mouth. Moon Pie and Bunny are always the friendliest. Well, hey, Bitsy. Maisie, are you going to be the first? Follow us and find out.